Hello children, in the previous video we have discussed how the word bank activity helps us to read and understand the history lesson. Let me make it clear that the word bank activity not only helps us to read the history lesson and understand, but the word bank can be made for the other subjects too. Here is a word bank that I have prepared for Sangama dynasty. While reading the Sangama dynasty, I came across the names of the kings, queen, their titles, and the places they captured by defeating the other kings and their capitals. On the other side, I have listed the historical terms or the words that help me to explain the history of Sangama dynasty. Once when you are perfect in your word bank activity, the next two things that you have to do is you will prepare a flow chart. This is the flow chart of Sangama dynasty. This flow chart shows you the important kings who ruled the Vijayanagar Empire under Sangama dynasty. I have listed the name of Harihara, Bukkaraya and Devaraya. If you are perfect in your word bank, then when you see these names, you will recall what you have learned. For example, if I say Harihara, you should be able to recall and tell that Harihara was the founder of Sangama dynasty, and he ruled for so and so period, and he ruled for so many years, and he had extended his empire from north to south and east to west, and you will list out the names of the places. And when I say Bukkaraya, you must be able to recall about Bukkaraya, his reign, the number of years he ruled, and Kampana was his son, and how Kampana defeated the other king and captured the places. And Ganga Devi, the queen of Kampana, has written about all these things in her book called Madhura Vijayam. And when we talk about Devaraya II is a very important king of Sangama dynasty. What made him important, you should recall and tell me. And Lakanna Dandesha was the commander of Devaraya II. And Srinatha was an important Telugu poet during the period of Devaraya. So this flow chart helps you to recall the history, who did what, when, where, how, all these things. The next thing what you will do is timeline. Timeline helps you to remember the important kings, their reign, and the number of years they ruled. This is the timeline of Sangama dynasty. Harihara ruled from 1336 to 57 Common Era, and he ruled for 21 years. Bukkaraya ruled from 1357 to 1377 Common Era. He ruled for 20 years. Devaraya ruled from 1424 Common Era to 1446 Common Era, and he ruled for 22 years. This is the timeline of whole Vijayanagar Empire, the four dynasties which ruled Vijayanagar Empire: Sangama dynasty, its ruling period and the number of years it ruled; Salwa dynasty, its ruling period and the number of years it ruled; Tuluva dynasty, its ruling period and the number of periods it ruled; Aravidu dynasty, its ruling period and the number of years it ruled. Now, I have given an example of Sangama dynasty, its word bank, flow chart, and timeline. Now, you are going to prepare a word bank, flow chart, and a timeline for the remaining three dynasties. All the best. Thank you.